Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. PlayLearn family. Which scientists proposed the double helix model of DNA? A. Hershey and Chase. B. Watson and Crick. C. Meselson and Stahl. D. Franklin and Wilkins. Answer B. Watson and Crick. Explanation: Watson and Crick proposed the double helix structure of DNA in 1953, describing how DNA molecules are arranged in a double helix shape. 2. Which type of bond holds together the two strands of the DNA double helix? A. Ionic bonds. B. Covalent bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. D. Disulfide bonds. Answer C. Hydrogen bonds. Explanation: Hydrogen bonds between nitrogenous bases hold the two strands of DNA together, with adenine pairing with thymine and guanine with cytosine. 3. In DNA, the amount of adenine is equal to the amount of A. Cytosine, B. Guanine, C. Thymine, D. Uracil. Answer C. Thymine. Explanation: According to Chargaff's rule, in DNA, adenine, A, pairs with thymine, T, meaning they are present in equal amounts. 4. The process of copying DNA to RNA is called A. Translation, B. Transcription, C. Replication, D. Mutation. Answer B. Transcription. Explanation: Transcription is the process where DNA is transcribed into RNA, specifically mRNA, for protein synthesis. 5. Which enzyme is responsible for synthesizing RNA during transcription? A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. Ligase. D. Helicase. Answer B. RNA polymerase. Explanation: RNA polymerase synthesize RNA by reading the DNA template during transcription. 6. During DNA replication, which enzyme unwinds the double helix? A. Helicase. B. Ligase. C. Primase. D. DNA polymerase. Answer A. Helicase. Explanation: Helicase unwinds the DNA double helix by breaking the hydrogen bonds between bases to allow replication. 7. The genetic code is termed degenerate because A. It has stop codons. B. Multiple codons can code for the same amino acid. C. Each codon codes for multiple amino acids. D. It can evolve over time. Answer B. Multiple codons can code for the same amino acid. Explanation: The genetic code is degenerate, meaning that several codons can specify the same amino acid, providing a buffer against mutations. 8. Which of the following is not a stop codon? A. UAA. B. UAG. C. UGA. D. AUG. Answer D. AUG. Explanation: AUG is a start codon that initiates translation by coding for methionine, while UAA, UEG, and UGA are stop codons that signal the end of translation. 9. In eukaryotes, the site where transcription occurs is the A. Cytoplasm, B. Nucleus, C. Ribosome, D. Golgi apparatus. Answer B. Nucleus. Explanation: Transcription takes place in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, where DNA is located. 10. What is the function of tRNA during translation? A. To transcribe mRNA. B. To transport amino acids to the ribosome. C. To unwind DNA. D. To copy DNA. Answer B. To transport amino acids to the ribosome. Explanation: tRNA carries specific amino acids to the ribosome during translation, matching its anticodon with the mRNA codon to ensure correct amino acid sequence. subscribe for more video. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.